What's going on here? I got a programming challenge solution for energy drink consumption in C++. All right, first things first, I need a constant variable that's actually an integer variable. It's going to be called num_surveyed. And that's going to be set equal to whatever, I don't know, 56,000 people. This is just a random number. You can put whatever number you want in there. Next thing I need is a few float variables. I need one for group 1 and one for group 2. This is going to be set equal to group 1 is going to be set equal to, we'll say 25. And then group 2 will be set equal to, I don't know, 56. Okay, so group 1 will be designated for one or more drinks, while group 2 will be designated for citrus only drinks. All right, and then next thing I need to do is create a couple of calculations. And so this is still going to be part of this float declaration where this entire statement is going to be continued down here. The reason why I put it down here, so group 1, this is going to be group 1 total. That's going to be set equal to the number surveyed multiplied by group 1 divided by 100. So what I'm doing here, group 1 divided by 100, I'm basically turning the decimal. What am I doing? Okay, no. I thought I was working with decimals here. I forgot. So group 1 is divided by 100, and make sure to keep the order of operations with using these parentheses here. Otherwise, it's going to read the order of operations from left to right, regardless of whether it's the PEMDAS or whatever you call that. Group 2 total is going to be the same thing. Num surveyed multiplied by group 2 divided by 100. All right, so this semicolon marks the end of this statement here. So that it begins here and then it ends right here at the semicolon. The reason why I separated these two is because this is kind of the process portion of the programming challenge where I'm processing some information or calculating some information. These here are considered input because I'm giving the input to the program. And future programming challenges, as they get you want to get information from the user, this would be that portion. Next thing I need to do is output this information back to the user. And the way I do that is use the cout statement, and this is going to be one continuous cout statement on several lines. So here's the beginning of it, and here's the end of it. That semicolon is the end of it. All right, and then so in between here, I'm just going to output group 1 equals group 1 total. Customers, and we'll just put a period there and an end line break. And then next one is group 2. Group 2 total. And then this is customers and L. All right, and that should be it. So next thing I need to do is open up a terminal. So on the terminal, real quick, you guys need to move this real quick. So to open up a terminal, I need to hover over the file that I'm working on, which is this one here. And I'm hovering over it. If I hover over it, you'll see that little right there. So it's in my desktop. C++ programming is the folder that it's in. So I'll just right click, open integrated terminal, and here a terminal opens up. So this is the folder that my file is in. So to compile it, I'll say C++, the file name, enter. Okay, and then I need to run the program /.a.out, enter. All right, there's the information outputted to the user.